there if you want to start waking up.